Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing good. Yesterday we learnt about what division is, properties of division, and division by multiples of 10. And now today we will learn how to divide by 2, 3 and 4-digit divisors. So let's continue our chapter division, in which first we will learn division by a 2-digit divisor, in which the first step is write the dividend and the divisor like this. Like this means this is our division, 12,324 divided by 64. 64 is our divisor. So we will write it like this, 64 out, 12,324 inside. And next, carry out the division from left to right. That means we have to always start it up with left to right. Now, first we'll see the first digit at 10,000 place. This is 1. As we all know, 1 is smaller to 64. 64 is a divisor. So what we'll do, we'll write a 0 in the quotient at the place of 10,000. Now, we'll consider the next digit, that is 2. 1 and 2 will make 12. Again, 12 is smaller than 64. 64 is a divisor. So now again we'll put a 0 in the quotient at the place of 10,000. Now we'll consider our third digit, that is 3. Now this will make, all the 3 digits will make 123, which is greater than 64, which is our divisor. Now we'll see that how many times 123 will be divided by 64. 64 ones are 64. If we multiply 64 by 2, we get 128. 128 is greater than 123. That means we have to take 64 ones are 64. So 1 we will write in the quotient at the place of 100. 64 minus 123. 13 minus 4, 9. 11 minus 6, 5. And here we have got a 0. Now the second step will be, we will bring down this 2 over here. This will make 592. Let's see now how many times will it go. 64 8s are 512. 64 9s are 576. So 576 is smaller than 592. So we'll take 64 9s are 9. We will write in the quotient at the place of tens. 576 subtracted from 592. 12 minus 6, 6. Here, what will be the leftover? 8. 8 minus 7, 1. And here, 5 minus 5, 0. Now, the next step, the third step will be, we'll bring down this 4 over here. This will make 164, that is 164. Let's see how many times will it go. 64 2s are 128. 64 3s are 192. So, again this will go 2 times. 64 2s are 128. 14 minus 8, 6. 5 minus 2, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. Remainder is 36. Now, how to verify our answer? Whether our answer, the division which we have done, the quotient which we have got, or the remainder which we have got is correct or not. To verify our answer, we use one formula, that is dividend is equal to divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. Our dividend was 12,324, divisor 64, multiplied by quotient 192, remainder was 36. Now first we will multiply 64 into 192. 4 2s are 8, 9 4s are 36, 3 carry over, 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 7. The second step, 6 2s are 12, 1 carry over, 9 6 are 54 plus 1 55, 5 carry over, 6 1 are 6 plus 5 is 11. Now we'll add these. 8, 6 plus 2 8, 7 plus 5 12, 2 here, 1 carry over, 1 plus 1 2 and 1 here. So we have got 12,288. Now we will add 36. 36 is our remainder. We will add 36 into this. 12,288 plus 36. We have got, let's see what we'll get. We'll get 8 plus 6 14, 4 here, 1 carry over, 8 plus 3 11 plus 1 12, 2 here, 1 carry over, 2 plus 1 3, 2 we'll write down here, 1 here. We have got 12,324 and that was our dividend. That means our answer is correct. I hope children you understood this. Now we will move on to division by a 3-digit divisor. It's as same as we have done it by a 2-digit divisor. Now here we have to divide 3,66,48,067 by 943. Alright. Now we'll see how many times will it go. First digit 3. Divisor is of 3-digit 943. That means we have to take at least 4 digits, or if the first 3 digits is more than our divisor, then we can take that. But now here the first 3 digits, that makes 366, is less than our divisor 943. So we'll take the first 4 digits, that is 3664. Now we'll see how many times will it go. When we multiply 943 by 3, we get 2829, which is less than 3664. Now 14 minus 9, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. And 16 minus 8, 8. Here 2 was the leftover, so 2 minus 2, 0. Now we'll bring down this 8 over here. So it becomes 8358. Now if we multiply 943 by 8, we get 7544. Again we'll subtract 8 minus 4, 4. 5 minus 4, 1. 13 minus 5, 8 and 7 minus 7, 0. Now we'll bring down this 0 over here. Again this will go 8 times. 943 multiply by 8, we get 7544. 10 minus 4, 6. 13 minus 4, 9. And here 9. 13 minus 4, 9. 10 minus 5, 5. And here 7 minus 7, 0. Now we'll bring down this 6 over here. This will go 943 multiply by 6, we get 5658. 16 minus 8, 8. Then here 5 minus 5, 0. 9 minus 6, 3. And 5 minus 5, 0. The last step, we will bring down this 7 over here. This become 3087. Now we'll divide this by 943. 3 times this will go. We will get 2829. 17 minus 9, 8. Here 7 minus 2, 5. 10 minus 8, 2. And 2 minus 2, 0. 258 is our remainder. Now we will check out our answer, or we will verify our answer. The same formula, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor was 943. Quotient we have got 38863, remainder 258. First we will multiply 38863 by 943. We get 36647809. 36647809. In this we will add on 258, that is our remainder. We will get 36648067. 3,66,48,067. That was our dividend. That means our answer is correct. Now last we'll study division by a 4-digit divisor. Here we'll divide 90768 by 1464. 90768 by 1464. Now we'll see how many times will it go. The divisor is of 4 digits. We have to take first 4 digits. So first we will write a 0 at 10,000 place, again a 0 at 1000 place, again a 0 at 100 place. Now we'll see how many times will it go. Why we have put these 3 zeros over here? Because first 3 digits, that is 907, cannot be divided by 1464. Now we'll see how many times will it go. This will go 6 times. 1464 multiplied by 6, we will get 8784. 6 minus 4, 2. 17 minus 8, 9. 9 minus 7, 2, and 8 minus 8, 0. In the second step, we'll bring down this 8 over here. Now this will go 2 times. 2 times we get the same number, 2928. 8 minus 8, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So there will be no remainder. Now we'll verify this answer of ours. Same formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Our divisor was 1464. Quotient we have got 62. As you see, no remainder, or we can say 0 remainder. When we multiply 62 by 1464, we get 90768. 90768, remainder 0. As you all know, when we add 0 into any of the number, we get the number itself. 90768 plus 0, we'll get 90768. That means our answer is correct because our dividend was 90768. This is all for today, children. I hope you understood all this. But still, if you have any doubt, you can leave a comment on the portal. I'm always there to help you out. Stay safe and keep yourself healthy. Now we'll verify this answer of ours. Same formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Our divisor was 1464. Quotient we have got 62. As you see, no remainder, or we can say 0 remainder. When we multiply 62 by 1464, we get 90768. 90768, remainder 0. As you all know, when we add 0 into any of the number, we get the number itself. 90768 plus 0, we'll get 90768. That means our answer is correct because our dividend was 90768. This is all for today, children. I hope you understood all this. But still, if you have any doubt, you can leave a comment on the portal. I'm always there to help you out. Stay safe and keep yourself healthy.